Yep, still in the Airbnb. Anyway, guys, what I want to talk about here is CLOV because this is my second recap on the day. I was just editing my thumbnail, yada yada, and then I saw CLOV selling off over 13%, and I was like, no, it definitely can't be down this much. This doesn't make sense. And then I continued editing my video because I was like, you know what, I'm done trading for the day, or not editing my thumbnail. I'm not going to trade this. And then I look back a couple more minutes later, and it's still selling off. And I'm like, whew, all right, I'm going in. So I started buying CLOV, and I got pretty lucky on this one. I got the perfect low, and then it rips back up. So I want to talk about this quick little extra trade on CLOV. Now, one of the things I always say is I don't want to be day trading stocks that I'm swing trading. A lot of you guys know that I'm swing trading CLOV, and had a huge sell-off today. So I kind of went against that rule a little bit, but there was such big support on this ticker that I felt almost crazy not trading it. So I was able to add another nice 490 to my P&L today. Let me just show you how this ticker performed. And another reason that I felt pretty confident about this is that, why does this, okay, it wasn't showing for some reason, is there was no negative news today that I was seeing. I was like, well, this sell-off seems a little bit exaggerated. Maybe it's a bunch of options getting called. Who knows what's going on? I don't know. This ticker is so hypey. It's a Wall Street bet ticker. You never really know why this ticker is moving. And if you would just come here to the 4 hour, I mean, I've traded this one quite often. This is my day trading count, not my swing trading count as well. That's why it's so quick. Yeah, big sell-off here. We were breaking down below 10. We were breaking below 950. We were coming to this really critical support zone around 9.2. $9 is even bigger support, but I would say around 9.2. We have a lot of these tops in this area. Right here, we have a nice little fake out, breakout, a little bit of support right here at 9.15. So if we zoom in again a little bit more, you can see this huge sell-off. We've been pretty much on a consistent sell-off ever since the market opened, even pre-market. And we broke this key support here at 9.5, and we're going lower, lower, lower. And look at this, 9.2, some really, really good support. So at first, I was looking at it at like in this area, and I was like, no, Alex, don't buy it. You know, I'm done day trading for the day. And it keeps on selling off, and I keep looking at it, and eventually I'm like, you know, screw it. I got to trade this ticker. This is too good not to trade. My goal was to accumulate here. I was ready to accumulate a little bit more, up to around $9, with the goal of selling at a 9 EMA retest, because I didn't know if this was going to continue selling off. This is a backside move. I'm not looking for a reversal. I'm not swing trading. I'm not investing. I'm simply looking for a mean reversion move. It's a very simple day trading. So on a backside move, this is backside, it's going down. I'm only looking for those retests to the 9 EMA. So big sell-off, it's extended from the mean, which is the 9 EMA. There's a retest, boom, and then it sells off again, extended, buy it, retest, yada, yada, so on and so forth. So again, this is a day trade, not a swing trade. I just want to give you a little bit of my psychology why I went in ahead and traded this one. So yeah, I jumped in on this one. Let's zoom in to the 1 minute. When originally I was like, I'm not going to trade this. I'm just going to let it go. And then it cracks below the critical support here at 927 or so. And the sell momentum kind of faded. It wasn't nearly as strong as this one. So I was like, oh man, like, okay, momentum slowing down. We cracked key support, but it's not like a really significant crack. So I just started accumulating here. And the big question was, are we going to get back above this 9 EMA here? That was the big question. So let me go to my day trading screen, kind of show you what it looked like a little bit more for me in real time. So that's when I started buying here near this kind of second low candle. And again, full size here, not full size, but I was still averaging into this trade here in that area. And that was kind of the question though at this point, are we going to get back above this 9 EMA? We did, we retested it, then we ran all the way to 9.4, and I was thinking, well, I want to kind of see if we can get to 9.46 or so, because I was looking at the daily, and I knew the 9 EMA, I mean, not the daily, I was looking at the 5 minute, and I knew down here on the 5 minute, the 9 EMA was still a little bit higher, so I gave it one pullback or one additional pullback with a maybe continuation. I could have averaged into this trade, but I don't know, I was already kind of done trading for the day, honestly. We had one attempt here at 942, and then it didn't work. We had another attempt here at 942, didn't work. Then I was like, I usually never give tickers like 3 tries. I usually only give them like 1 or 2 tries. Granted, that's day trading small caps, not mid caps, but whatever. And so I sold here on this next attempt, which ended up being the right play because it did sell off. And then, and now it's actually making it a new high. But yeah, who knows? And again, that wasn't my strategy. So I'm pretty happy the way I traded this one. I stuck to my rules. took my profits and walked away. And yeah, that was a nice little extra trade on the day. I usually never trade again once I'm like really done trading. Today I said I was done 3 times. Pre-market I was done. Actually 2 times. Pre-market I was done. Then actually no, wait, was that 3 times? Okay, so at like 8:30 I said I was done, and then at 9 like 50 or 10 o'clock I said I was done. That's the official done. That was the recap video, and then again now I'm saying I'm done. So I guess it is 3 times. So yeah, 3 times total now that I'm done for the day. I think I really am done. This is quite rare that I do something like this, but this sell-off was really, really good. I felt like the momentum for this one to bounce. It's a hot ticker, and it was down about 13% from the open. So I was like, oh man, like this has to have a nice, actually 13% from the pre-market highs. That's what I was looking at before. When I was in this area, this is when I was like 13%, and then a total of 15%. That's where I was like, wait, where did I get the 13% from? So yeah, now we got big resistance here at 9.6. I still really like this ticker. I'm still holding it as a swing trade. So we'll see what happens in that account, my IRS portfolio. IRA, Roth IRA. Again, that's not really what I want to talk about here, but yeah, buying the dip on CLOV, buying the dip on a hot ticker near big support as momentum shifts is what I really wanted to highlight in this video. It's one of my favorite trading strategies for years. It's probably my oldest favorite trading strategy because it's insanely reliable, because these key support zones are really, key price levels are really the only thing you have going for you on a ticker like this, because there's not necessarily good bad news or bad news a lot of the times, and it just has these massive moves. Nobody really knows why. So what's everyone looking at? Technical levels, and I feel like they hold out really, really well. Obviously, you don't want to keep averaging into a loser or something like that, so you still want to cut your losses and never want to turn a day trade into a swing trade. And I'm always extra skeptical about day trading a swing trade because I'm instantly extra biased. So this trade, I felt a little bit iffy doing, but at the same time, all the technicals aligned, the stars aligned, and I had to do that. And I felt like it was worth sharing with you guys. So I hope you did enjoy that quick little recap there, my second recap for the day. I'll see you guys then first thing tomorrow morning. Drop a like if you enjoyed the content. Subscribe if you're new. And like always, guys, stay safe and make some awesome trades. Ciao, ciao.